Look at this cool bike. Once again, Bula Vinaka guys, welcome to another vlog. It's me, Pate, and
Cornelia. But not so in a good mood.
Yeah, so we welcome Connie back. She just arrived this morning 2 o'clock from Georgia on a business trip. So my love, how was your trip to Georgia?
Very good, very effective, informative. Yes, I would also say successful. I brought some new projects back home here. All good. But I'm happy to be in Germany again.
Okay. How was dealing with your customers?
Challenging.
Challenging?
Yeah. First meeting was good. Second was very challenging and was very hard. Like very professional people sitting on the opposite. And the third one was, I think, the best one.
Why?
Very kind people, very friendly, super understandable, like talking very slow, and yes, having good plans how we grow with them, or we can grow with them. So
would you say Georgians or Germans?
Germans.
Like when it comes to like caring and
I think with customers, Georgians are very good, but I think they are also like fighting a lot in the company with their own people there.
Okay.
So they are like outside they are respecting everyone, but I would say when they are like with their friends, with their family, with their colleagues, then they are fighting a lot.
Nice. How was the food in Georgia?
Maleka.
What?
Maleka.
Maleka? Ooh, katsi.
Yes.
With mother?
Very good. We ate a lot of Georgian dish, like no rice, no potatoes, no pasta. They have meat with dough, salad, fresh salads, fish, shashlik, kebab, a lot of kachapuri, that is bread with cheese. Then a lot of different types of Georgian cheeses, which are very salty. They have one of the best wines in the world. Georgian wine is very, very good, but beer is very bad. So they are just drinking German beer. That's their favorite one. So if you meet someone in Georgia, then they will know that you're from Germany and say, "Whoa, I like the beer from Germany," because they all know our German beer. Yes, but at the end, it was a good trip. Good
How
food.
was the weather?
Katsi.
Katsi?
More than 30 degrees.
Oy.
A little bit warmer than here.
Nice, eh?
Yeah.
Alright.
But a slow wind, so yeah. Or a fresh wind. All good.
Okay. Yeah, guys, we are heading to Munster. Today, I want to cut my hairs and also some like shave my beard. So we have a special hair stylist in Munster. It's an African shop where I normally go and shave my beard and cut my hair, like the split end is. Yeah,
So
because
they know how to do that, because when we are going to a German hair salon, they don't know how to cut Patty's hair. They're just looking. No, we cannot do that. So it's very hard for Germans, or yes, to cut Patty's hair. So that's why we decided to go to an African hair salon. Yes, we're used to that.
so we are just 20 minutes away from Munster. Beautiful weather. Today we have 30 degrees. Whoa, thank God. This summer is almost gone. but the weather is just getting better and better. Let's go. We are here in Munster, guys. Nice weather, man. So first we'll go to the hairstylist, the African shop, and then maybe we'll go and look for some cassava. I super wanted cassava today. If some fish is cheap there, buy some fish. Yeah, today is more on just doing window shopping and just cruising it around the city. Welcome to the city of bicycles in Europe. Munster, Munster. Oile naita kamalumutuna. Alright guys, we are almost there. So you can see the church Lambati is over there, and just follow this road, same road, to this famous restaurant Raphael's. What's so special about this restaurant?
Ice cream.
Oh, ice cream, guys. And just beside that restaurant we have here barber shop.
Maybe you can ask her like how long it will take her.
So this is the shop.
So that I can go.
Okay, I will ask inside how long does it take for it to be my turn. Alright guys, unfortunately we cannot get the appointment today because they are closing at 7. So now we just have to go in the city and enjoy the day, do some sightseeing and window shopping. Yeah, I think I'll come back tomorrow because it normally takes 45 to 1 hour just to cut the ends, especially like me, I have long hairs, so they have to like brush it and all. Alright, let's go look for Connie and do some window shopping. Okay guys, if you would have a chance to be in Munster, this is the best shop to grab a souvenir. So you have here Munster for life. You could see some of my videos. I've been wearing this kind of hats, Munster for life. And also inside you have some other designs, and not only hats, it's also like the hood. They have cups, hoodies, and trousers here. Okay guys, these hats cost 40 euros. Remember this? I had the same one like this last time. Munster for life. this one, man. This is so beautiful. Nice design. We have the grey one here. So it's 40 euros, guys. If you would have a chance to be in Munster, you can grab one for souvenir. The bell is ringing. Time check. 10 to 6. So this church cathedral bells will keep on ringing till 6 o'clock, 6 p.m. So there you go, Lembati Church, the famous cathedral here in Munster. Guys, someone is doing basking. I don't know if you can hear the guy singing. I think this guy's professional. Wait, nice voice, nice. But I have to first look for Connie and then I'll come back to this guy. Yeah, maybe we can ask his YouTube or Instagram. Okay, yeah, as Oliver is here, Connie is somewhere here. Little bit of window shopping here, guys. Look at the ladies' watch here. 1,250 million. Rado. The brand is Rado. So this is approximately 3,000. Yeah, 3,012 Fijian. Oh, look at this white one. It's 3,350. My God. I don't know. I've never heard about this brand, Rado.
Here, walking in
I've never seen a person sing so well like this, like in front of me. So this guy is just so amazing. Nice, beautiful voice. Okay, guys, it's a coincidence. I wanted to ask him to sing a reggae, like from Bob Marley, but actually now he's singing it.
Emancipate yourself from mental slavery. None but yourself can free a raw mind. Have no fear for atomic energy. Cause then the nothing can stop the time. How long till they cannot profit while we stand aside and look? Someone said it's just a part of it. We've got to emancipate yourself from mental slavery. None but yourself can free a raw mind. Have no fear for atomic energy. Cause none of us can stop the time. How long till they cannot profit while we stand aside and look? Someone say it's just a part of it. We've got to fulfill the goal. Hold you here to sing this song of freedom. Sure, I ever had, yeah, redemption song. This song of freedom, redemption song. This song of freedom, redemption song.
Yeah, welcome my friends from Fiji. I wish you the best on this game with England, and I hope you win this.
Thank you, brother. Guys, it's so emotional, and I'm so happy that before he sang the song, he dedicated the song to all our brothers who will be representing the Fiji national team to the World Cup this week. And yeah, wish you guys all the best, especially to all the boys from the Kondrave. Level boys Nina Oro. So this guy from Germany is dedicating this song to you guys. Make sure, guys, you already win. We already have the World Cup in our hands. You just have to do the job. And may God give you guys strength and courage. Let's go. Toso viti toso. Okay guys, we are walking through the channel where we will have ice cream. So we are going towards one of our best ice cream shop here in Munster. So the people, if you know Munster so well, it's on the opposite of Vapiano. Opposite of Vapiano is the ice cream shop.
Shall I choose some for you?
Yeah, I think I would say the same.
2 or 3?
2 scoops.
2?
Okay guys, this is the ice cream shop where we normally come and have ice cream. It's called Firenze. I think it's an Italian ice cream shop. You can see people enjoying the ice creams there. And yes guys, the guy who was singing on the street, he doesn't have like social media channels, so he's just singing in the streets, doing basking for a living. And yeah, because he's using a speaker, I think he has a in order, if you want to use like loudspeakers, amps, you have to have a permit from the government or from the council here in Munster. So I'm 100% sure that he has it, because he's German. He knows the rules here, the laws here. So yeah, and his name is Jan.
Strong.
Hey, cheers, brother. His name is Jan. He's super professional. Yeah. And yeah, Super has a lovely voice, man. Like for me as a singer, I super like the way he's singing and how he plays around with his voice. He's super professional. I could tell he's so professional. He's so professional than me. All right, so we are just waiting for Connie to bring our ice cream. Let's wait for Connie. Surprise, surprise, surprise. So this is mine?
Yes, stracciatella,
What's the flavor?
cookies and Eisverenza.
And yours?
Rocher, Yogoretto and Eisverenza.
Can you spin it around? Oh.
Enjoy. Thank you God for this food and ice cream. Amen.
Amen. Pinakaturanga. Guys, we just finished our ice cream. Evo nga ando po.
What?
Amusandeng eh.
Totoka.
Evo nga po. How was the ice cream?
Totoka.
Totoka?
Dann lecker. Super lecker.
Super.
But now I had enough. Now I want to eat pommes.
Yeah. So now we are just heading back to the car, and then we'll have some pommes.
Manta-Platte.
Yeah. And also we'll go like this to Josh. Go and drop his sunglass.
Ja. Hallo.
Seid ihr bekannt hier?
Geht so.
Ja, wir haben das Auto bei dem großen Parkplatz stehen, weil das
Schlossplatz?
ja, beim Schloss. Wie kommt man da am besten?
Look at this drawing, guys. Super cool. I always admire that drawing every time when we come this way. Okay guys, we are here at the train station. Main train station here in Munster. You could see behind me, guys, there's some people listening to music and playing. So that's the corner for special types of smoke. The hard cigar. Alright guys, we are in the shop now.
It's just meat. It seems like it's just meat. Or...
Oh, here. Taro. How much? 420. Yeah guys, taro. Dalo. It's 420. But it's just one.
What is it?
Taro, dalo. This dalo. They have only one. Have to look for the second one. Here, you can see it here. We have here coconut, sliced coconuts. So this is cassava.
Can help you?
This is taro. No, I'm okay.
Achso. Er sucht einfach nur. What do you need?
Cassava. Oh, here, frozen cassava.
That's it or anything else?
I want to buy taro, but it's a little bit too much. So this cassava is from
India.
India. Alright, let's go.
Okay.
Yeah, no, this one. Okay, this is the shop. What is the name of the shop? Asian shop.
Asian shop in Bannerstraße.
Oh, Asian shop and Bannerstraße. Number 1. Okay, brother. Ciao, ciao. Yeah. So the location is just beside the German where I had my test here. Deutschsprachen Academy and the police station. So that shop was introduced to me by the chief of Munster, Josh Pasco. So this video is sponsored by the chief of Munster because of that place where we just bought cassava and dalo. Yeah, beside the police station. Look at all these bicycles. Right, let's go. Now we are heading back to the car. Alright guys, on the corner there Gazella. That's where DJ Costa Rica is located.
Pate, can you put this in my bag? Both or all?
Look at this building. Okay guys, also here where you can like rent a room, pay for a bed. So if you arrived in Munster, and you want to spend the night, or your next train maybe, like you missed the last train and you want to spend the night, you can pay for a room there. It's just an open room with like a bed, shower or kitchen where you can have a cup of coffee. Yeah, it's way better.
Yeah. And do you know what I'm doing now?
And
Huh? Do you know what I'm doing now? You want to know what I'm doing now?
what are you doing?
Seems that I'm doing something forbidden, huh?
Yeah, like you dealer or man or what?
That are the Christian drugs.
Christian drug. Never heard of that. Guys, we are here in a like shop where you can get some things, like if you love to go out for hiking or sleeping in the forest. So look at these torches, 79 euros. It's 80 euros. This one, the head torch, 50 euros. Here, the, what you call this, pen knife? Pocket knife. 24, 25 euros. And here, 179. Boy, I remember this is so useful in Fiji, especially like traveling. And also here, they have like a license, especially hunters. This is their shops. If you are a hunter, you can come and check this shop. Night vision, you also have a night vision. Here you go. Okay. How's that, Loli?
You want to try?
Night. Fire set.
So this is what I was telling you. Do you know what I'm doing now?
What?
Eating a lolly.
Oi. Cool bike. One day, guys, one day I'll be a biker. So from BMW to out. Guys, I don't know what's happening here, but lovely music. Live band is playing. And look at that beautiful white tree. Right, let's go.
Is it live music?
Io, I think Italian or
These burger must be good because it's always full.
Kando. Right, guys, we are just heading up to Joss' place just to drop the sunglasses on their mailbox. ito.
Birthday watermelon. Shall we check?
No, we just go. Mata mamara. Sobe. Hey, 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 hey.
What was the explosion?
Police. Oh, hey, hey. During summer, guys, Josh's house is just near the canal, so he always come here and swim and do paddle boarding in the canal. What a great thing to do, eh? You're living near the canal, why not? You must do that. Well, you can do that. So this is Kodo, eh? Kodo? Kodo, one of the dangerous neighborhood here in Munster. Alright guys, unfortunately Josh, the main door to their apartment is closed. So I just dropped the stuff that belongs to him beside the car, and yes, we are heading back home now. If we were a little bit too late, if we would be on time, I would put up a prank on him. But yeah, shout out to Josh and the family. Sorry for disturbing. Yeah, we are heading back home now, and hope you find your stuff on the car. I left it on the car. Alright, from us to you, Mothe. Say Mothe.
Mother.
Lolo Mayani, God bless.